Now, because of these programs, that's how we can restrict young people or Gen Zs to start demonstrations. Now, the government is doing a lot of things, so that maybe in Uganda, Gen Zs, their issue was about corruption. True, we might have corruption, but it starts from you. Fighting corruption starts from yourself. It doesn't need that you go and burn a road or you destroy people's property. That shows that you are patriotic. No. Desist from corruption, it means you are patriotic. That's how we have to tackle the Gen Zs. And the Gen Zs have to know the peer influence of internet. You can't follow each and everything on the internet. Pick what can build your sense and your future.
We recruit students from different schools and they have different backgrounds. They come from different families, and when they come here, we have the norms and the values of the institution. So during this particular time, we take them through our expectations using what we call the Green Book in Gombe. Those are the rules and regulations. We have the rules and regulations that are governing the institution, and therefore we need to build that culture, and they are entangled within the culture of the institution.
It's very, very important to nurture and to groom the young generation to inculcate the relevant values and norms, where we train them to love their country, Uganda, beyond self. We have trained them to love their country beyond self, beyond their tribe, beyond their region, and to love Uganda and all Ugandans equally.
The Minister of